Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is online class from Oxbridge English School. Yes, I'm Shahana here. This is my fourth class for class 9 and the chapter we are doing is chapter 4, exercise 4.1, exponents. Dear students, the laws of exponents, I was matching all the maths with the laws, the rules. So you remember what we have done in the previous class, product of power rule. When the base is same, we add the power. I am just repeating again so that you can get it instantly. Then there is another rule, quotient of power rule, that when the base is same and we are dividing the base, so we have to subtract the power. And then this is our power of product rule. When the base is different and the power is common, we just multiply the powers. And then power of quotient rule, this is like this. When the base is dividing but different and in whole the power is common, so we do like this. We again told you yesterday about zero power rule. When if a is not equal to 0 but it is greater than or less than 1, then the value is 1. Suppose if something is value is coming the power of 0, then it is equal to 1. So we told you about negative exponents. It is also the condition applies if a is not equal to 0. So we just reciprocate the condition position, like if a minus 1, you just bring the base in the bottom and then you can just change your power. And this is power of a power rule. There are two different powers. We just can exchange the power. If it is outside power, we can bring inside the bracket, and the inside one we can take out, but the value is same. And then there are three more. Here the root over, we know when a to the power root over m is equal to a to the power 1 by m. And if a is greater than 0 or any other number is greater than 0, so if the power are same, we can say the base are also equal. So a to the power x is equal to b to the power x, so we can say the a is equal to b because the power are same. Again, if the power is different and the power is same but the base is different, we can say that base is also equal. And if the base is same but the power are different, we can say the power are same. Like if a to the power x and a to the power y, that means base are same, so we can say x is equal to y. So let's start solving an equation, that is solve an exponential equation by getting base to be equal. This is the math. You see here we can see n to the power x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 27 whole minus x plus 3. So here you see that we have to make the base to be equal. So how we can make the base equal? Make this 9 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3, 9. So it is same, but now base is same. And for 27 we can say 3 to the power cube. So this common base we are getting for both. So when the base are common both sides, the power will be equal. So let us do how we can do it. So it was like this. Now this square we can distribute in here. So what it will come? 2x plus 2. And here you see, by reciprocating any number, we can just change the sign. So here it was 1 by 3 whole cube. So we can make it like this, 3 to the power negative 3. By reciprocating, we get the opposite sign. So now there was positive, it has become negative, and now it is a number. So here now again we have to multiply or distribute with minus 3. So you know 2 negatives is equal to 1 positive, 3 to the 6x, and here minus plus minus 3 to the 9. So you see now it looks like this. In here equation, the base is 3, here is also the 3. So this is our formula says that when the base is equal, like here, a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, then x is equal to y. So you see, similarly here we are getting that the both side the base is same, so we can write down 2x plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 9, means both the power are now we can write same. So now you know how to do the equation. So just bring all the x this side, this plus 6x will become here minus 6x, and take out the number from here and bring it here, plus 2 will become minus 2. So now it is minus 4x is equal to minus 11. So x is equal to 11 by 4. So this is the answer. So how? So what we have done, we have solved the exponential equation by getting base to be equal. We made the base equal and we have solved this. So today, dear students, what you all will do, just learn, this is your homework is learn all laws and write. So these are the laws. It is very important to know when you will do the exponents and logarithm math, you have to apply all these formulas. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I have given you 10 laws, basic laws, very important. Without knowing these laws you cannot manage any math. So please learn these and write again and again, give your date, and so that I can see that how you have practiced it. And one more thing, in our next classes we will try to arrange Zoom online classes. You know these apps, you have to make a group in Messenger. In class 9 I wanted you all to be doing, and then give me your ID number of Messenger, and then we will make an online class where you will be present and I will instantly I can ask you question, and even you can ask me question. Quickly give me all of yours ID number and make a group in Messenger. Thank you.